Hey guys, I'm back today with another video, and this one's going to be brought to you by the company UNiceHair, and I will be showing you guys another closure wig. This one is a 5x5 HD body wave lace wig. This one does have a comb in the back, 2 combs on the side, and your adjustable strap, and that is what the lace part area looks like. Now, I did go in and make some customizations. As you guys can see, I added a little bit of a highlight strip in the very front of the unit. I just bleached it using some 40 volume developer. I left it on for about 10 to 12 minutes and it came out that color. Of course, if you wanted to go a little bit brighter, you can leave it on a little bit longer. Now, this one is in the length 20 inches and this one is also 200% in density. Unit is also an average cap size. Now, if you want to see a video of me coloring the front of a unit, I will make sure to leave a link down below to a tutorial so you guys can see it, just because I have done it before already. This unit is a little bit big on my head, so I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be High Insta Hold spray, and I'm just gonna spray it on the lace. Now, you guys know lately I've been spraying underneath the lace, but because there wasn't much lace to work with, spraying on top is definitely fine, but of course I use the blow dryer to speed up the process. So I was watching TV, I guess I was dancing or something. I think I was watching Law and Order, y'all, and I be hyped when that theme song come on. It never gets old. Special Victims Unit. But I want to open up the hairline just a little bit more, and I also want to kind of conceal the side. You guys know when it comes to a lace closure wig, the sides are just a little bit more shown, and it depends on the company. I feel like the sides on this one look pretty good. They're not sticking out too far, but I'm using my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Foam, and I'm just going to mold a little bit of hairs on the side. Now, I did have to go in and kind of pluck through the front of the hairline just because it wasn't as plucked as I wanted it to be, and I will make sure to leave like a little video somewhere where you can see exactly what I'm talking about after I wash the unit. But I wanted to pluck it out more so that it can look a little bit more natural. So I am opting for a middle part, and I put my Care wax stick at the top, and I'm just using my Kendras Boutique Hotcomb to run across that and make sure that everything is pressed out and looking nice and flat. Of course, all the products that I am using in this video can be found down below in the description area. Adding my Tresemme heat protecting spray because I do plan on straightening out this hair. But as you can see, even after I washed the hair, some of the waves did end up coming back, and this hair is very, very full. So the density on this is really good, but I'm gonna just section off a little bit of the hair because I like to straighten the top of my hair last, and I'm gonna be using my Kipozi flat iron. Now, I did have to go over this hair a couple of times to knock the wave pattern out. Now, with body wave hair, I love the way that it curls, but I like it straightened also, especially when it's a good density. And when I seen how nice and full this was, I immediately knew I wanted to straighten this hair out. As can see, it is looking nice and sleek already, and then I am going to show you what one side looks like unstraightened and then what one side looks like straightened out. I think it came out pretty good, and then I went off of camera and just finished it off. Wanted to add just a little bit of layers throughout the front. I didn't like the way that the front was falling on me, and on one side I kind of cut down a little bit too much, but I can always go in and refix it, especially on the other side to kind of make it look a little bit more even. But once I added my serum in, then it looked fine. You couldn't really tell. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of powder to kind of open up the parting space area and just a little bit around the hairline, just because it did have a sheen to it from the spray. Knots on this unit were very small, so it was easy to bleach. And a couple of knots still showed through because I didn't leave the bleach on for a long time, but it was very easy to conceal with the powder. So I went ahead and added the serum off of camera. I thought I was filming that part, but you guys have seen that plenty of times. I just used my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum and added that throughout the hair because that's going to protect against frizziness and flyaways, especially because I added that color in the front. But look how nice and full and sleek this looks. And this is laying very, very flat. Now for 20 inches, I just feel like this is pretty long on me, but this one does go up to 28 inches and it starts at 16 inches. Base laid down fine. I just had to go around the front of the hairline and just kind of pluck it out a little bit more, but it looks really nice and sleek. And like I said, I love the density on it. I didn't get too much shedding with it, and the hair felt very soft even after me straightening it. Let me know what you think of this unit, and if you are feeling it, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.